In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find NASDAQ on TradingView. Whether you're new to trading or just seeking a bit of guidance, this walkthrough will help you navigate TradingView to locate the NASDAQ index easily. Let's dive straight in. First, you'll want to open TradingView in your web browser. TradingView is a popular online trading platform known for its comprehensive charting tools and user-friendly interface. Once you have TradingView open, locate the search bar at the top of the page. This is the starting point of our journey today, facilitating quick access to a vast array of financial instruments. Now click into the search bar. Here you can type in the keyword NASDAQ. As you type, TradingView's smart search function will display suggestions as it predicts what you're looking for. Typing in NASDAQ is straightforward, but it's important to ensure correct spelling to avoid any confusion or errors. If you're unsure about what you're typing, don't worry. TradingView assists you with suggestions as you go, narrowing down potential options. Once you've input NASDAQ, allow the suggestions to populate beneath the search bar. You'll see a list of options, including the NASDAQ index itself and potential stocks related to the NASDAQ exchange. At this stage, you need to select the specific index you're interested in. TradingView offers several variations including NASDAQ Composite and NASDAQ 100 depending on your focus and trading goals. Choose the index that aligns with your investment strategy. With your desired index in sight, all that's left to do is give it a click. Clicking on the NASDAQ index option will bring up its chart, providing you with real-time data and analytic tools to enhance your trading insights. This selection process is critical as it ensures that you're accessing the most relevant and up-to-date information available. After you've clicked on the NASDAQ index, you will be taken to a detailed chart view. As you explore, remember that TradingView's platform is rich with features. Take your time to familiarize yourself with the different tools and indicators at your disposal, and there you have it, a simple but effective way to locate NASDAQ on TradingView. This process can be applied to almost any index or asset you wish to track, making it an invaluable tool for traders of all experience levels. Whether you are monitoring the market for potential investments or performing technical analysis, TradingView simplifies your work with its intuitive and resource-rich environment. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Hopefully this guide helps make your TradingView experience smoother and more efficient. Remember, the more you explore and practice, the better you'll become at navigating the financial markets. Keep watching for more helpful tips and techniques in the world of trading.